Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. I'm back again, this time with a pick a card reading. The topic of our pick a card reading today is what is coming towards you. Now this is a timeless reading, and what is coming towards you is mostly what your deepest desire is, what your soul is urging for, what your subconscious mind thinks. Now on this channel, we are not just going to do card readings, we are also going to heal ourselves and manifest the things that are coming towards us. I hope most of you have subscribed to my channel by now. If not, please do it right away, because I'm going to do a lot of card readings here, and based on the things we are going to read on in these cards, I'm going to also do some videos for the healings that you need to bring these things into manifestation. See, this is your subconscious, this is your mind, your deep emotions that you want these things towards you. Sometimes you are even not aware yourself that this is what is your deepest desire, and you have to bring it down to manifest it from your mind onto this earth. You will have to heal your chakras, you will have to work on your energy body system so that you vibrate high and bring it all into reality. So you can subscribe to this channel so that you get notifications when I'm going to post anything. You are going to get notifications. So I'm also hoping that most of you already started the healing session that I posted last with the moon energy. That was a real very powerful session, because I myself released a lot of negative blockages, and I sucked in a lot of energy from the collective and released it for you too. So if you go through these healing sessions every day, you're going to start to vibrate high, you're going to release your negative energies. So I'll share the link again in this video. I'm going to post it the comment box. I'm going to share it again, and I'm hoping and praying that you people take these sessions as often as possible and you cleanse your energies. So now we are going to start this reading, and you have 3 options in here: option 1, option 2, option 3, and the theme is what is coming towards you, which just means what your subconscious wants to manifest for you. Take your time, breathe in, relax, choose the pile you feel more drawn to, or maybe the number you feel more drawn to, and then choose your options. So, I hope you've chosen your options now. I'm going to keep the pile 2 and pile 3 aside. We are going to begin with pile 1. So everyone who chose pile 1, this is pile 1. For everyone who chose pile 1, what is coming towards you? So see, how soon it can come towards you is going to depend on your own vibrations. Okay, so let's see your cards. Wow, you have the Knight of Cups, you have the Chariot, you have the Anchor, you have the Mice, you have the Crib. Very soon, what is coming towards you is very soon, which tells me that you have already risen your vibrations to a level. Summer, they also want to give a time span. Perseverance, keep doing what you're doing. Just keep persevering, keep putting in your hard work. So let me just A blessing for good work. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Great. Okay, so right away with the Knight of Cups and the Chariot energy here, I see that an offer of soulful joy, what your soul desires, is on its way for you. Now this offer can be of love. Most likely what I see with the Chariot card, my first instinct, my first intuition goes towards travel. If you are thinking you're wishing to travel to another country or movement to another country. So my first instinct says with these cards, there is going to be travel. An offer of love is coming towards you very soon. This offer for marriage for some people can come through somebody who is living in another state, another country. It is going to bring a lot of stability into your life. For some people, this offer is going to be an upgrade in their career. Balance and upgrade, a victory, a success that they were looking for in their career is coming towards them. For the other ones who are spiritual, this offer is going to be of balance in their yin and yang, their male, divine, masculine, divine, feminine energies. You're going to balance these two masculine, feminine energies, and you're going to bring balance into your body. Perseverance is the key here. Whatever you have been doing, I see that you have been putting in effort, you have been waiting. You were consistent and your perseverance is going to pay. This is wonderful, this is very beautiful. Very soon decide clearly what you want so that it comes to you now. So this card clearly tells us that you just have to put your desire into the universe. You have to make it clear. If there are options that you are looking for, you have to make a choice now. Be clear with your options, make a choice, put your desire out there, and you are going to succeed. Summer. Everything that you're asking for become yours in the summertime. So this is a clear indication for this pile. It is a clear indication that this desire of yours, whether it is for a relationship, an upgrade in a relationship, a marriage, stability, whether it is movement to another home, whether it is a desire for a new job, for travel. Travel is very evident. For spiritual balance, for good health, stability in your health. It is all going to come. You have to start working on it. You should be doing healings through my last video that I posted. I'm going to post many more videos for healings. They are going to be small. This one is a very elaborated one, the one I have already posted. But that is a detailed cleansing. That's why it is very elaborated. So this is beautiful. It is coming to you in summer. Blessing for a good work. So of course you have been persevering, you have been consistent. So this blessing is coming to you. So whatever work you have put in, you have been doing some research, or if it was your job, career, business that you were putting in your effort and might be you were not seeing results then. Now this blessing is coming towards you. This is a blessing which is coming from the universe towards you in the summer months, in whichever country you are. So this card of mice, discord among friends and family. The card says discord among friends and family. It is possible that a certain situation that you were going in your past was not very harmonious with your friends or family. Or this card to me is an intuitive message that it is possible that you have to cut your cords with certain friends and family members who are not wishing this movement, this upliftment, this new offer to come into your life. Sometimes there are some fake friends or family members who are low vibrational. So what is advised to you is to have boundaries. Have boundaries. This is wonderful. Birth or conception of a child or enterprise. I think just the one area that was missed was a childbirth, and so beautifully they kept it here. So anybody who desired a childbirth in their family and were having problems with conception of a child is coming into your family. So this can be through an adoption, this can be through undergoing a knife, or it can be through a natural birth. It is meant for you. A child is coming into a family. Plus it can be a birth of a new enterprise, something that you were thinking of starting as your business, as your own profession. You wanted to grow in it. That is coming for you. This is so beautiful. So pile number 1, all the best to you. This is really, really beautiful. And so with this beautiful reading, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, pile number 2. So everyone who chose pile number 2, your cards are here, and we are going to see what is coming towards you. So this is timeless. So what is coming towards you is going to depend on your own vibrations. How soon you are going to bring it towards you. So for that you can take my healing sessions to cleanse, release and vibrate high. So let us just see what you have. Wow, amazing. Woo! 6 of Rods. The Sun card. Oh my God. Am I reading for some Leos or fire sign people, or you are going to have the energy, passion? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Sight. Torch. Harp. Express your love. Self-discipline. Color red. Emotional healing and blessing of air. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So right away, my pile number 2 is the pile of name, fame, recognition is coming towards you. Victory, success, what to say. Your root chakra is going to get healed. Material wealth is going to come to you. And the yellow color, sun. Very evident. Blue, yellow, red. Most evident that I catch it from this. So what's coming towards you is that you are going to shine your light onto the world. Amazingly beautiful. Name, fame, recognition. An upgrade is coming into your life. An upgrade is coming into your life. If you were putting your efforts, you were hoping for success in your work area, if it was your any kind of career, job, profession, business, you are going to be recognized. You are going to have an upgrade in your position, or you are going to be given some kind of a reward. Some kind of a reward is coming towards you. This is happening because of your self-discipline. You have had self-discipline. You practiced this. You have been self-motivated. So from the first intuitive message that I get is success. The second thing which I see in this is very fast moving energy, that is, marriage and a child. This is amazing. This is like just as you are going to, emotional healing. As your heart heals of old emotional pains, you receive new blessings of love. So people who are looking for love and marriage, this is a clear message for you. Opt for the video that I have posted for healing. Get your heart chakra healed. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. You are heading towards marriage and happiness, and as well very fast towards your parenting also. This is wonderful. Beautiful. Then we have, okay, Scythe card over here. I'm going to talk about it later. We have Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness and understanding. So for a lot of you, if you've been going through a spiritual journey, this is an upgrade to your spiritual journey. You are going to heal your root chakras, which is going to bring this is a time now to bring your thoughts, your inspirations down into your material world. So you are going to see, for a lot of spiritual people who have been seeing things in their dreams, who have been meditating and having visions of things, but they were feeling that nothing comes down to reality. We are guided by the angels, we are guided by divine, but we don't see it in reality. So all the people who were going through this spiritual journey, this is coming into reality for you. Very beautiful, it is coming into reality for you. Okay, so Torch says spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness and understanding. This is beautiful. Even if you have been having self-discipline, you might be following some routines. Maybe you were self-disciplined in your eating habits, in your meditation, your health habits were good, in your work. It is all going to pay you now. Now the time has come to give you rewards for the self-discipline. Self-discipline is very difficult to follow. It is easy when someone else will push you, but to push oneself is difficult. So in this case, with self-discipline, I also sense here that this could be some people who are working for themselves. This pile could be for some business people, some professionals who are maybe they are not in service industry, and they have to keep motivating themselves. They have to keep pushing themselves to achieve their goals, their desires. This is a very strong pile when it comes to health. You are going to experience very good health, vitality. Your body is going to feel very energetic in near future. And so I am having a little bit in my throat. So what we see here from the blue color and the blessing of the air is you have to what you have to work on is your heart chakra and your throat, because when you will be able to express your heart and mind through your throat, you're going to yield this. You are going to come to this position of recognition. You have to be able to express yourself. Yes, you have talents. Yes, you have potential. But many of us have it, but inside of us. But we fear facing the public. We fear speaking to our seniors in jobs at times. We fear speaking our truth to them. So blessing of air says that a clarity of mind is going to come. You are going to be able to speak clearly what and some burdens are going to be lifted with the blessing of air card. I just feel that you are going to feel so much lighter. From you were carrying so many burdens with this self-discipline that you were following. You can enjoy a little bit. You can give a break to yourself, enjoy a bit. Blessing of air means you are going to feel light. A lot of burdens are going to be lifted from you. This is coming towards you in a big way. Heart, great complete happiness. Wow, wonderful. This is just so wonderful. Sun card is the joyous card of the tarot deck. Happiness, joy, positivity. You are going to be so positive. Once you clear your chakras, once you release your negativity blocked in there, you are going to be so positive. Of course, with the Sun card, I will say if you have been wishing for a childbirth, it is on its way. You're going to be successful if you have been disciplined with your food habits, something that you were doing in order to come to this, to elevate your position to parenting. Yes, you are going to have a child. What else? Spiritually upgrade. Health is beautiful, wonderful. Career is going to be, you are going to shine your light onto the world. Marriage as well as going to have a child very soon. Wonderful. Scythe card. Again here, it says that you are going to, so in order to come to this position of recognition and named fame, you have to cut cords with some low vibrational persons, places or situations. So this is used for cutting. So you have to cut your cords from low vibration persons, situations, places, and then you will see how you ascend in life. Beautiful. Your personality is going to shine. Whenever you see this reading, whichever year, whichever month, whichever date, from that particular year, date, month, you are going to start to attract this towards you. And you just have to heal your heart. Heal your heart. Again, before that they want to tell me heal your throat chakra also. Okay, so heal your throat and heart and then express. Okay, express your love. So expression comes through throat. So you need to heal your heart, heal your throat and then express it to your beloved. Great. So pile number 2, all I see for you is just good times heading towards you. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. I wish you all the best. So moving on to pile number 3. This is pile number 3 for everybody who selected pile number 3. Now we are going to see what is coming towards you. What is coming towards you is what is your deepest desire, what you wish to manifest, your subconscious wishes to manifest. So we are going to see what is coming towards you. Pile number 3. Wonderful. All the piles have been so wonderful. So what is coming towards you is the World card, Temperance. You've got 2 cards here. There's a lady, bouquet. Wow. Wow. Butterfly. Chair filled. Oh my god. Right away I feel that a lady is coming into someone's life and fill their chair. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I get so excited. So finances and career, if it has been a concern for anybody, we are going to see this. Ask for what you want. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the universe is saying that you ask and they will grant you. Okay, happy ending. Very much resonated with the World card and karmic completion. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. A blessing on your wisdom. Amazingly beautiful, guys. Amazingly beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. I'm so grateful, thankful to have such beautiful readings for you. So, dear friends, right away with the World card, I'm going to say that you're completing a cycle of your life. If you were studying, you are from school, you're heading to your college. If you were in colleging, you are heading to your jobs, your businesses. If you can be moving towards a partnership, a soulmate connection, wedding. So wedding, marriages are indicated with this card as well. In this pile with the World card and the Temperance card, I'm also getting a very strong intuitive message that they're telling me that someone has been really waiting with patience to move towards the other side of the world. So wherever they have been staying, they have been wishing for a movement to the other side of the world, and some of them have been spiritual healers. So this can be a pile of my friends who are healers by nature, who have been wishing to connect with the world, expansion in their spiritual journey, happy endings. Yes, so whatever hard work you had put in, you're going to have a happy ending. This can indicate a change of job also, change of job, moving on to another line of work. Maybe you want to begin your own profession, maybe you want to start a business of your own. With the Temperance card, it clearly tells me that during this change that you are going to have, this ending, it is very happy ending, and you are feeling very balanced. Your chakras are getting balanced. You are connected, very well guided from divine. You are getting all the divine guidance up from here, from the universe. You have been following steps of guidance. This is so beautiful. And there's a lady in this spread. So for many, I see 3 females in this spread. 4, 5, oh my God. So it is possible 6. This is crazy. So it's possible that you are a lady who is listening to it, and you have not been taking care of yourself. You have been so busy in your household work, always taking care of other people, and not even dressing up well, and just taking care of all the birds, all the pet animals also, everybody in the house. You are taking care of them, but you are cooking, you are doing everything, but you are not paying attention to yourself. For this kind of ladies in the house, a bouquet of flowers is coming to you, and this indicates happiness, joy, gifts are coming towards you, and beauty is coming towards you. You are going to, in the coming times, what you're attracting towards you is self-love. You are going to pay attention to yourself now, and you are going to become very balanced. You are going to look like an angel. You are going to become so beautiful. Everybody is going to feel that you are like an angel, so beautiful inside out. Beauty is always inside out. Butterfly, this is another beautiful creature. A change for the better, exactly. A change for better is coming. A cycle of your life is completing. You are heading a change. You are heading a change towards divine connections, wisdom. All this is coming because of your experiences. You have gone through a lot of experiences in your life which have made you very wise. So blessing on your wisdom is coming, and with this wisdom you will be able to guide other people also. Karmic completion. Karmic completion talks, this is a card of Wheel of Fortune, destiny taking an uplift on you, and all the karma that you were doing, all the good that you were doing, you were not even caring for yourself, for your family, your friends, all that you were just going on doing, is now going to pay. Saturn has just turned direct, and these gifts, this happiness is coming towards you. You are going to be recognized from this lady. You are going to head towards this lady. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the owl, you have a lot of wisdom. Your third eye is opening. You can take my healing sessions to enhance your vibrations. Ask for what you want. So because you are connected so well to divine, so they are very well connected to you. They want to bless you. They want you to move from this state now. Give yourself self-love. Improve yourself. Put a lipper. Put some liner. And let the universe and other people know what you want. You have to tell the other people around what you want. The universe, what you have to come up to the universe. You have to speak to the divine, the universe, and tell them what you want. Chair filled. Someone new is entering your life. Okay, so this is for the males who are watching this video. I most probably feel that a female is going to enter your life, can be your life partner, can be someone you are going to marry, because you are entering a karmic new cycle. So this someone new is entering your life, can be a female who fills in an empty chair that was there for your soulmate. So if you are a male looking for a female, she is coming towards you. It is also possible that you have somebody who has chosen this pile is going to meet a person who is going to do a partnership with you. This can be a partnership for business, for profession, anything that two people want to do together. If you are in a service sector, then this can be somebody who is coming and helping you in your upgrading also. So okay, so here we have another card which says finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. So okay, yes, because when we see this woman, we see that she had a lot of concerns about finances, maybe because she's putting a lot of hard work. And if you see her dress, so this woman is going to have an upgrade which can happen through her marriage or the job she is taking up, because she's entering a new cycle, or maybe the business that she is starting to thinking of opening, maybe in partnership or maybe on her own. Maybe that there is a spiritual business that this woman is going to do. There can be a male also who was going through financial crisis. And it is possible that in your love life, in your married life, there were concerns of finances, and that is why you were held in this karmic completion. You were held in this because you had debts to pay, and now the cycle is completing, and so your love life is going to improve. So if you were in love with a partner who did not have a job, or who was suffering financial issues, now this problem is going to be healed, and so you're going to move into the next cycle wherein you both can enjoy your married life as well. You are going to have your financial backing also. So this is pile number 3 is my pile who have gone through a lot. They have struggled a lot. They had a lot from their past life karma. I feel that they had to pay off, and the universe is happy now with all the hard work that you've done. And so this blessing of wisdom, first thing, the blessing of wisdom is coming towards you. It is also possible that they are telling me that you have to tell this thing to somebody who wants their chair filled. that please be wise, because of the financial issues that you are so stuck in your love life. You are not saying a yes to your partner for marriage. So please be wise. Divine happiness is not something that will only come through finances. Take a balanced approach in this situation. You have been patient, but use your wisdom to make this situation and take a decision now, because it's time for you to move on to a new lifestyle. So this is very, very beautiful. A change for better is heading towards you. Health-wise, you are going to have balance in all your chakras. You are going to feel absolutely blissful, wonderful. Career-wise, a new phase is starting. If you wish to travel, make a movement. Yes, for you. An upgrade overall. Beautiful. Beautiful pile number 3. So I thank you so much for being here. I'm so grateful and thankful to Divine for giving such beautiful cards and readings for everyone. Beautiful. Thank you all. You can subscribe this channel so that you get to see more readings from me. So I take your leave now. Thank you so much. May God bless all my friends. Lots of love and best wishes.